Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code Ramen Raider for a discount. This is New Touch Natsukashi Shoyu. And I believe it said that Natsukashi meant nostalgia. So there you go. So, had to butcher the bowl, so we're going to use this. And it's 3 minutes. Drop the noodle block in. Drop the powder on. And then here's the veggies. And then we got 3 minutes, so let's 1, 2, 3, go. So, what is new? So, yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but there was an episode a week or two ago where my pants, like, I was just sitting here like this, and I leaned forward, and all of a sudden, rip! And my jeans, like, totally tore. Yeah, and, like crap. And it's not because I'm, like, gaining weight, but it's because of all the walking. It's like they're like not designed for such heavy foot traffic or whatnot. I don't know, but so I had to go to the Big and Tall shop, a place I like to frequent for getting the clothes, and I'll just tell you. So I when I got my first pair from that place, because I was getting them for other places, but they just weren't comfortable, and that place had some really comfy junk. So it was size 48. All right, that was in November, and I just got a pair of jeans, and they fit great, and they're size 42. So still haven't been weighed or nothing, but I know things are going in the right direction, so yeah. Next month, I'll go to the doctor for a checkup and find out the results. See if my cholesterol is lower esterol. I don't know. That was kind of the impetus of the whole thing. It's like, your cholesterol's just too high. My doctor's rad. He's from Taiwan. Good guy. Now, I just found out this morning, I heard it on Morning Joe, a MSNBC production, that I enjoy while I'm getting these reviews ready in the morning. There is actually a guy of Taiwanese descent. He was born here. He's actually born in 75, same year I was born. And he's running for president. Andrew Yang. It's Y-A-N-G. It's not Yang. If his family's from Taiwan, it's really doubtful it's Yang. It's Yang. Yeah. Little tip from the Ramen Raider. But yeah. That's funny, because that's the same last name as my doctor. And so it's like, I'll be like, yeah, I've got an appointment with Dr. Young. Oh, Dr. Yang. It's like, dude. And it's not Gangnam Style, for God's sake. I understand fully. But, and I'll be the first to admit that I say things incorrectly quite often. In this show, in my blog, in top 10 lists, but I try. If I can say them correctly, that's what I really would rather be doing. But here are what the noodles look like. Noodles. Tasty. It's supposed to be a chicken shoyu broffery. That's tasty. What we got here? that. What? Correct me if I'm wrong, but that certainly looks like a little piece of shrimp. Again. It's good. I like this stuff. I'll even have another bite of noodle. Yeah, I like that. Okay. This should be an interesting one. Alright, let's turn on the rotating insanity. See it? That's the main piece of the puzzle. Ah, not all that great, huh? Here, let's see if I can bring you down in that bowl. There you go. You can see that. Peeking over the bowl. Yeah. Alright, so of course we need some sprouts. This is like the perfect bag of mung bean sprouts insofar as I got it on the... What day? I got it yesterday. And these will be good. And yesterday was Sunday, and they expire next Sunday. And since I don't usually do reviews on Saturday and the day before the expiration date, they're pretty much shot. It's like, if they're gonna be bad on the 24th, the last day we really want to use them is the 22nd. At least that's the way I look at it. So that's a pretty good deal. So the last day that'll be good to use them is this week on Friday, and this is Monday. So that's all right with me. It mentioned in the little information sheet from Zen Pop that diced chashu was a good choice for this. So there is exactly what that is. I don't know why you would dice it, because I really like how it looks when it's one big sucker, but that's okay. I'll go with it. Now let's try this egg. Oh, I'm moving. Okay, we're moving. Get out of there, egg. Ugh. I'm finding myself getting less patient with these eggs. There you go. Ooh, that looks nice. I'll take that. What else do you really want? What else do you need? Maybe some sprinkle. I think we could use some sprinkle here. Wish I could just like have the guy like with the pepper grinder at the restaurant come over and go, sprinkle please. But I'll get the sprinkle. Don't you worry about that. And actually, I'm gonna go with the Sansio stuff. I really like it. It's kind of like, I think it's like a white and black pepper blend. I don't know, but it's good. It just says Japanese pepper. Yeah, so just gonna be a little gentle with it. And how about some sesame seed? There you go. All done. All done. All done. All done. All done. So, all done. And this is the last one for today, so I'm stoked. It's always tough getting back into the rhythm of stuff and on a new week. But it looks like today worked out pretty good, so that's good. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.